Aggression in Men and Women by Kim Montgomery. Physical aggression is much more likely to come from men. Verbal aggression comes from both men and women. When we look at men and women, we can see they experience aggression in different ways. Women feel loss of control in their life or extreme stress will view this aggression as coming from stress and loss of control. Men feel more aggressive from the lack of self-esteem and lack of integrity when trying to control others. Introducing my experts, Dr. Sophie Durez, psychologist, PhD, said that every person is one of a kind and there are no solitary methodologies that is best for every person. Recommending drugs is only one of the numerous choices of therapies she offers. She recommends talk therapy and counseling. Dr. Perry, PhD, researches the impact of trauma and maltreatment on the developing brain, and he published extensively. He is a co-author of Born to Love. He has consulted with numerous law enforcements, including the FBI. Dr. Sophie, who specializes in the diagnosis of treatment of mental disorders, anything from CT scans to magnetic imaging scans, laboratory tests, and physical exams. There are psychologists that help with sexual dysfunction, schizophrenia, depression, depressive disorders, anxiety disorders that range from MD to psychology with a PhD. Dr. Perry says that violence is diverse. Physical violence can be responsible, voluntary, and self-justifying, or it can be destructive. Ruthless aggression. Violent behaviors can be related to intoxicity from drugs or alcohol and other neurotoxic conditions like dementia or traumatic brain head injury. Aggression is not violence. An aggressive person may not be violent. Aggression is a behavior characterized by verbal or physical attacks, yet it may be apparent and self-protective or destructive and violent. The compare and contrast. Dr. Sophie, adult with aggression, who specializes in the diagnosis and treatment of mental disorders, treatment options. Dr. Bruce, trauma and maltreatment, violence is diverse, aggression is not violence. Females and males show aggression in different ways.